In this video, I'm going to show you how you can chat incognito on Perplexity AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you open your Perplexity AI and generate any chats, you have to note that your chat history will be stored, as well as your chat data can be used to train this AI model. However, if you wish to chat incognito, before you generate any chat, tap on this icon here once you are logged into your account, and here you will now be in incognito mode. You're told Perplexity doesn't save your activity in incognito mode, and threads won't appear in your library after you close them. So you can proceed and chat, and here any chat will be generating will be incognito, as you can see here. However, if you wish to exit incognito mode, then just close this thread here by just tapping on it, and here you will be taken to the home page where you can exit by tapping on this incognito sign here, and you'll now have exited incognito mode. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.